YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this wig, so if you want to see, stick around and check it out. Now this wig is from Max Glam. I was contacted on Instagram to do an install video for them. It's basically going to be a simple install. I didn't pluck or do anything. They have tons of wigs on their website. It did come with dark roots, and it was a 613. The dark roots was only around the perimeter. It wasn't in the part. So what I did is went to Walmart and got some Revlon. I always use Revlon when I'm trying to save a coin. I think it's about $3 a box, and I used 2 boxes of the dark ash blonde in the color 60. It is in the Revlon color silk as well. I'm going to show you guys a before, how it came, the color, which I love the color, but I'm just not going for that right now. But yeah, this is how it came. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. It's a simple basic tutorial. It's easy for beginners. I didn't pluck. I didn't really do much baby hair. I just want it to be simple and easy so anybody can do it. So I'm not doing the ball cap method, but I do glue down or spray down my stocking cap to make sure it doesn't slide back. This is the Got to Be Blasting Free spray. Gonna blow dry that so it can stay in place and it doesn't slide back. This is a little blow dry I got from Walmart for $10. Gonna cut my lace, pop on the wig, trying to do an easy install so it's like beginner friendly. Brush it out, make sure my part is where I want it. I'm gonna clip back my baby hairs in the hair so when I'm spraying it down it doesn't get stuck in there. Brush back and clip down the opposite side. You can use whatever kind of clips you have. I think these are from Sally's. Then I'm going to use some of my Got to Be Blasting Free spray. I'm just putting some under the wig and some on top. Usually I do under, but this is like my new thing where I do on top and under. Really make sure you have down those sideburns, because when you start to sweat, that is the first part that pops up. Just going to hit that with my blow dryer to make sure it starts to dry. Once it starts to get tacky, then you want to take your comb and press down and make sure that the lace is melting down to your scalp. Spraying the opposite side, same thing. Pull that down right where you want it. And I find the spray is easier to work with. It's less sticky. You can move your wig around if you want to get it right where you need it to be, and it won't be all white and sticky. So yeah, so just blow dry that side down, and it did leave a little residue from the spray, but when I was done I just wiped it down with a towel, and that's basically it. It is like an easy install. Press it down with the comb, make sure it's adhered, tie it down with my silk scarf, just to make sure it stays in place and it dries all the way before I style it for about 10 minutes. Gonna use my wave or crimper. It is a bed head crimper. I've used it in previous videos. I got this from Target. Now a little secret about Target is some of their online prices are cheaper. When you go in the store it costs more, but if you show them on your phone that the online price is cheaper, even through Target.com, they'll match the price. So I think in stores this was about $40. On their website it was about 20 something. So I just showed them my phone at the cash register and they did a price adjustment. I love this thing. I had it for a few years. It can amp any old wig up, amp any new wig up. I love this thing. So that's basically it. Easy install, easy style. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Yes. Oh, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my MAC powder just to blend in my lace, because I did. So that was the tutorial. You guys see the final look. If you're not following me on Instagram, Adri619, check out Max Glam. I'll put all the information to their website down below and their social media. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff, and until next time.